Hi everybody, welcome to Armcandy. So today we've got for you this really pretty little Amberley satchel, and this is in size small, and I think this is kind of like the perfect little going out bag. It's in this really nice kind of nudie blushy pink colour which just goes with everything, and it's the perfect little size to get all your necessities and your little going out bits in it. So it's got on the front this rider's lock. So this is a reinterpretation of the iconic Mulberry postman's lock. So it's a bit more bold and a bit more of a feature on the bag. It's got the adjustable strap, and so it's a buckle adjustable strap. It's kind of on the central setting there. I'll open it up and show you the inside. So inside we've got this contrasting colour suede lining which feels really nice, and then we've just got one main compartment in there, and then we've got a flat slip pocket at the back. The condition of this bag, we've called the exterior very good. There's not really anything to say about it, but I'll show you the bottom kind of corners, which are often the bits that kind of they wear first always, but they're still in pretty good condition. You can see there's not any wearing or anything on there. I think there's just a little bit of marking, see on these bits here, just on the end of that little bit there is a little bit of discoloration and marking on there, but that's all I can really say about the outside. For the interior, again I'll just open that up and show you. We've called that very good. It's still in nice condition. There's just a few little bits, for example here, where it's been leaning on this little section here. You can see it's just marked it a little bit, but other than that, it's still in very nice condition in there. The hardware we've called good. There's just a little bit, I'll show you on this rider's lock. Maybe if I open it up it'll be a little bit easier to see. If I just show you there, there's just a little bit discoloration on that gold ring there. But other than that, there's a few tiny like hairline scratches, but it still looks pretty good. This is a beautiful bag. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can get alerts every time we bring out a new video and a new bag, and don't forget to like this video as well. So for the exact measurements of this bag, go to the link in the description below. Hopefully it should take you directly to this bag. If it does, that's perfect. It means it's still available. If it doesn't, that does mean it has sold. But if you really love this bag, then you can get on our request list, which you can do by just sending us over an email, filling out the contact form on our website. Let us know you love this bag and we'll get you on our request list so you can get an alert if we get in another one just like this one. And that applies to any brand or exact bag that you fancy as well, so whether it's Gucci or Saint Laurent or Mulberry, whatever it is, let us know and we'll get you on our request list. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll just show you on me for reference. So as I said, this kind of adjustable strap is on the central kind of setting. So I'll show you on me. I'm a size UK10 and 5'4". And I really love this. I do really think it is the perfect kind of little going out bag. Yeah, so that is where it's sitting on me. This Mulberry also comes with the dust bag to keep it protected if you're storing it. And inside there's also the Mulberry care card. So for more details on this bag, don't forget to go to our website. As I said, you'll find the exact measurements and all the details for this bag in the link in the description below. Also on our website, you'll find the sign up to our newsletter option. If you go into there, pop your email in, and we will send you over your first newsletter with your discount code. That'll be your welcome discount code. So sign up to that newsletter so you can get your discount. Also, on our website you'll find the How to Sell With Us page. If you have any bags that you would like to sell with Armcandy, you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us on there. And that's all I have for you today, so we'll see you later with some more Armcandy.